Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Health Nuts. Today, myself Dr. Shel Sisteva. In our previous video, we have discussed many things about the medical scenario, and today we are going to discuss something that is play a very important role in sports athletes and a person who has undergone ACL reconstruction or ACL repair. So, what is that? That is agility training. Agility training is what? Something, a quick change or sudden change in the movement. If the person, if having a ACL repair, so he has to go back to his performance and he has to go back to his work, and he has to perform the activities that has caused him to do sudden change in his movement. As like अगर हम बात करें फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स के बारे में, तो फुटबॉल जो भी प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं या जो भी नॉर्मल पर्सन अपनी सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल में या फिर नॉट एट द स्टेट लेवल एट नेशनल लेवल भी खेलते हैं, तो उनमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है कि वेन एवर दे हैव टू क्विकली चेंज देयर मूवमेंट फ्रॉम वन एंगल टू अनदर एंगल, तो उस क्विक चेंज ऑफ मूवमेंट में जो भी हमारा मसल या लिगामेंट होता है, उस मसल या लिगामेंट को एक ऐसी स्टेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ती है जिसकी वजह से हमारा जो मेंटेनेंस ऑफ मूवमेंट है वो परफॉर्म हो पाती है, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एजिलिटी ट्रेनिंग. So we physiotherapists, we myself Dr. Shel, who is going to discuss and show you some training in today's video that which is totally related to the agility training, that will help you to understand the importance of physiotherapy in a person who has undergone ACL repair or ACL reconstruction and wants something to go on field and perform the activities that caused him to do sudden change in the movement or quick performance of the movement. So I am attaching the video. You can see in this video the person is completely going in the quick change in the movement. He is just performing in a scale of a stopwatch and he is completing the task in this 10 seconds or 15 seconds, or say in if we progress the condition, he has to complete the task in 5 seconds or say 7 seconds. So in this performance or quick sudden change in the movement is what is called as agility training, and that agility training is very important when the muscles is undergone recovery, and it is very important to see if the person has totally undergone a rehabilitation phase of say 6 months and he has just totally strengthened up his all the muscles, then followed by we go with the athletic training or the performance training, performance rehabilitation, performance athletic rehabilitation, in which a person can have to go back to his proper field and perform the task without any locking of feeling, without any feeling of locking or without any feeling of something related to click in his knee. Then ACL is what? ACL is something when a person quickly perform this movement, the ACL got stuck in the knee, and that stuck in the movement may cause something related to pain, swelling, discomfort, or redness around the knee area. But if that training or teared, maybe partial or fully, if the ACL is partially torn, then it will enhance, or it can be managed conservatively and does not need any kind of operative management. But if the ACL has completely torn and it has undergone into pieces, then we have to reconstruct it either due to the surgery or due to the rehabilitation chronic phase, right? So whenever we talk about rehabilitation always go in phases. So if we talk about the initial few 6 weeks of phases, that will totally focus on the range of motion after the completion, after the orthopedician allows the permission to go the knee under flexion. Means अगर knee को हम totally bend कर रहे हैं, तो knee bending जो है, when the surgeon will allow us, then only we will ask the patient to perform the exercise, right? So after if the patient has so the phases are divided into 3 categories. Initially, we'll go with the range. Secondary, we go with the strength. And third, we go with the performance training. That performance training include the agility training. And that agility training is totally involved in the muscle mechanics and total change that is involved when the muscle is going to perform the action. And that quick sudden change does not lead to again torning or the tear of that ligament, right? So I hope you will like the video. Difficulty you face in performing or knowing or understanding what is the importance of agility training, you can DM me on my Insta or my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe for the daily updates and the links, right?